Hello all and welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover Amazon DynamoDB streams followed by a quick demo. DynamoDB streams provides a time-ordered sequence of item-level changes made to data in a table. DynamoDB stream stores the data for the last 24 hours, after which they are erased. DynamoDB streams maintains an ordered sequence of the events per item. However, the sequence across items is not maintained. Streams APIs help developers consume updates and receive item-level data before and after the item was changed. DynamoDB streams allow reads at twice the rate of provisioned write capacity of the DynamoDB table. DynamoDB streams have to be enabled on a per table basis. DynamoDB streams support encryption at rest to encrypt the data. DynamoDB streams is designed for no duplicates so that every update made to the table will be represented exactly once in the stream. DynamoDB streams writes stream records in near real time so that the applications can consume these streams and take action based on the contents. DynamoDB streams can be used for multi-region replication to keep other data stores up to date with the latest changes to DynamoDB or to take actions based on the changes made to the table. DynamoDB stream records can be processed using Kinesis data streams, Lambda, or a KCL application. In this demo, we will cover how to use DynamoDB streams and create a sample Lambda function for consumption. Let's navigate to the DynamoDB console. We already have a DynamoDB table, movies, created with some data added to it. Navigate to the exports and streams, and we can see the DynamoDB streams at the bottom. DynamoDB stream is currently disabled. Let's go ahead and enable DynamoDB streams for this table. We need to select DynamoDB stream details that would capture item level changes in your table and push these changes to a DynamoDB stream. The options available are key attributes only, where only the key attributes of the changed item will be pushed. New image, where the entire item as it appears after it was changed. Old image, the entire item as it appears before it was changed. And new and old images, where both the new and old images of the changed item are captured. We will select the new and old images for this demo, and let's go ahead and turn on the stream. Now that the DynamoDB stream has been enabled, let's create a consumer for the same. We are going to create a sample Lambda function to consume the DynamoDB stream. For the Lambda function to consume from DynamoDB, we need to provide access to Lambda using IAM roles. Let's navigate to the IAM console. Click on the roles. Let's proceed for the creation of a new role. Trusted entity is an AWS service. Let's select Lambda. For the permissions policy, let's search for DynamoDB, and we can use the predefined policy AWS Lambda DynamoDB execution role. This role provides access to DynamoDB streams and CloudWatch. Let's proceed and name the role Lambda DynamoDB demo role. The role configuration looks good. Let's proceed with the IAM role creation. The role has been created successfully. Let's navigate to the Lambda console. We'll create a new function that will just log the data from the Dynamodb streams. Let's create our Lambda function. Select author from scratch. Name the function Lambda Dynamodb stream demo. Node.js runtime. 64-bit architecture. And we will use an existing role that we just created, the Lambda Dynamodb demo role. Let's go ahead and create the function. The function has been created. We will now replace the sample code with our code. Let's navigate to the code and replace it with our sample code. The code basically just consumes the events and logs the Dynamodb keys, the new image and the old image from the event. Let's go ahead and deploy the changes. Let's now associate the Dynamodb streams with Lambda. Dynamodb is integrated with AWS Lambda so that you can create triggers, which are pieces of code that automatically respond to events in Dynamodb streams. With triggers, you can build applications that react to data modifications in Dynamodb tables. If you enable Dynamodb streams on a table, you can associate the stream ARN with an AWS Lambda function that you write. All mutation actions to that Dynamodb table will be captured as an item on the stream. The AWS Lambda service polls the stream for new records 4 times per second. When the new stream records are available, your Lambda function is synchronously invoked, and you can subscribe up to 2 Lambda functions to the same Dynamodb stream. Let's add the trigger to the Lambda function. Trigger source should be Dynamodb. We will add the Dynamodb streams ARN instead of the Dynamodb table. Keep the trigger in the activated state. Leave the other defaults as is. And let's proceed to add the trigger to the Lambda function. And the Dynamodb trigger has been associated with the Lambda function. We now have Dynamodb streams enabled for the table and a Lambda consumer created to process the Dynamodb streams. Let's proceed to test our changes. Let's edit an existing item in our table. We will edit the Thor movie item. It currently does not have a rating attribute. Let's go ahead and add a new attribute named rating with a value of 8.5. Let's save our changes. And this change should have triggered a record to the Dynamodb streams. Let's navigate back to the Lambda console. Go to the Monitor tab, Logs, and view CloudWatch logs. And we have a new log stream for the Lambda created. And we have a new record from our Dynamodb stream as well. We have the console log from Lambda for the keys, the new image, which has the rating attribute, and the old image, which did not have the rating attribute. If we add a new item, the old value would not exist, whereas if an item is deleted, the new value would not exist. So that's it for a quick demo on DynamoDB streams consumed using Lambda. I hope you liked the demo. Thank you all. Alright, that was it. Thank you for watching. You can check out my website and connect me on LinkedIn and Twitter. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. For any feedback, please leave a comment down below. To see more videos like this in the future, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.